स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। दोनों हाथ कंधों के बराबर, और लेग्स को बेंड करेंगे। राइट साइड में लेग्स, लेफ्ट साइड में नेक, ऐसे। थोड़ा एसी चलवा दो भाई, ज्यादा गर्मी हो गई, तो सफोकेशन नहीं होगा, देख लो। ये second pose, distance in your legs and this, एक साइड में लेग्स, दूसरी साइड में गर्दन, ऐसे स्लोली स्लोली मोमेंट्स बढ़ते जाएंगे। एंड थर्ड पोज ऑफ मंकी पोज, तीसरा अभ्यास मरकटासन का। एक पैर को ऊपर उठाए, अपोजिट साइड में पैर को लेके गए, ऐसे ऐसे और ऐसे। लास्ट, योगा फॉर स्ट्रक्चरल बैलेंस एंड योगा फॉर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड का लास्ट पोस्चर, सेतुबंधासन। ब्रिज पॉज। एंड नाउ वी आर डूइंग योगा फॉर ओबेसिटी। दोनों पैर पास में, ऐसे। विद बोथ लेग्स, और एक एक लेग से ऐसे, विद वन लेग, विद बोथ लेग्स। फिर सेकंड पोस्चर, ऐसे पूरा गोल घुमाना, ये ऐसे, एक साइड से, फिर दूसरी साइड से, ये ऐसे। इसको एक एक पैर से भी ऐसे कर सकते हैं। दिस पोस्चर वी कैन डू साइकिलिंग विद बोथ लेग्स और विद अपने अपने कंफर्ट के साथ बैठ जाइए, ऐसे और ऐसे। एंड लास्ट, ज्यादा ठंड लगी तो बंद करवा लेना भाई, 2-3 चला दो, बस ज्यादा सारे मत चलाओ। एक यहां से है ना, फिर 1-2 पीछे से, लास्ट वाले चलवा दो। हाँ, बंद करवा दो, ठीक। दिस यस। So next, now we are doing integrated yoga practice for integrated health, Mandukasana, frog pose. Sit in this position, legs को ऐसे बेंड करना, और ऐसे बंद कर दो, है ना, ज़्यादा ठंडा हो गया। दिस मंडूकासन। Stay in this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. The initial time of a posture is 1 minute. And if you are suffering from liver, kidney problems or diabetes or constipation, in chronic diseases, we can do these all postures 5 to 10 minutes also. So in starting we can do each and every posture for 1 minute. This is one, this is second. This is one, and second is Padmasana. राइट लेग को लेफ्ट पर, लेफ्ट को राइट पर रखा, ऐसे। दिस इज पद्मासना। और इसमें ऐसे बैंड किया कि आपकी चिन या फोरहेड ऐसी जमीन को टच करे। This is very important for digestive system, for liver, for kidney, for diabetes. Relax. And now Gomukhasana. Left leg को bend करो. Bend your left leg first. Then put your right leg on left leg like this. Yes. जो पैर ऊपर है वही हाथ ऊपर लिया, दूसरा हाथ पीछे से लेना ऐसे और ऐसे पकड़। With deep breathing, with Bhastrika and Kapalbhati. So 3 breathing exercises are very important. One is, and second is Kapalbhati. We are calling this type of yoga integrated yoga practice. Posture, breathing exercise, and concentrate on your breath and think about yourself. You are a pure soul. You are a healthy soul. I am a divine soul. I am a prosperous, peaceful soul. Divine knowledge, divine love, divine word. This is basic nature of my soul. So when we are doing yoga, then think about your pure self. Stay in yourself. Experience yourself. मैं कौन हूँ? Who am I? मैं आत्मा हूँ। ज्ञान में, ज्योतिर्मय, तेजो में, सुख में, शांति में, आनंद में आत्मा। आत्मा हम, रामो हम, कृष्णो हम, शिवो हम, शिवो हम, शुद्धो हम, बुद्धो हम। So this is Gomukhasana. And This is Pavan Muktasana. This is very good for integrated health, for digestion, for liver, for kidney, for pancreas, for intestine, for constipation, for gas, for acidity. Pavan Muktasana. Stay in this position for 1 minute. Pavan Muktasana. And second is very important, Uttan Padasana. Like this. Raise your both legs at 30 degrees and stay in this position for 1 to 2 minutes. So this is integrated yoga practice for integrated and sustainable health, for eternal health. Now we are doing Sarvangasana. ऐसे पीछे से तक ले आओ और फिर ऐसे उठा के ऐसे सीधा कर दो ऊपर. Sarvangasana. Then Halasana. This Halasana. एंड चलो बैठ जाओ. और बैठ करके जो कर सकते हैं तो देखो ये शीर्षासन है. पहले दीवार के साथ करना है. तो ये प्रैक्टिस के बाद ये भी हो जाएगा. So these are the basic yogic postures and basic yoga practice. Now we are doing breathing exercise. These are very important. If you are doing only breathing exercise, so you can stay healthy for 100 years. Breathing exercises are very important, and first breathing is deep breathing. This is slow movement, this is medium, and this is fast. (2,400 kilometers long is your respiratory system. If you are doing deep breathing, so respiratory system will be 100% healthy through this deep breathing. In modern medical science, the basic philosophy that less oxygen supply is the main cause of all diseases. Less oxygen supply is the main cause of cancer. So if you are doing this breathing, so you can deny the cancer, deny the whole diseases, and you can stay disease. You can live the disease-free life. So 2 to 5 minutes. This is enough. I am doing 100 times daily, like this. Without any hard exercise, you can do power yoga through this breathing. हाँ, इनकी मेमोरी के लिए फोटो ले लो, इनके काम आएंगे. यहाँ से ले लो, पीछे से ले लो, कहीं से भी ले लो. आप पूरे, हाँ, यहाँ से, इधर से, इधर से. दिस इज फॉर योर मेमोरी.
So do this 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Second breathing is very important. This is called Kapala Bhati in yoga. What is the name of this breathing? Kapala Bhati. Kapala Bhati. Kapala means forehead. Bhati means glow, shining. You are achieving the shining glow on your face through this. And this is very good. This is internal exercise. Exercise for liver, kidney, exercise for pancreas, for uterus, for prostate, for intestine, for lung, for thyroid, for heart. Complete inner exercise, internal exercise, inner body exercise. We are looking so many exercises for outer body. For inner body, there is no exercise. This is inner body exercise. So you can do this within a minute 100 times. Within 5 minutes 500 times. For ever young life. My hemoglobin from last 35 years is 17.5 through this. 17.5. My weight is 65. My height is 5 feet 5.7. So if you are doing this, only this breathing, so this is the secret of complete health. Kapalabhati. And another is Anuloma Viloma, alternative breathing exercise. Raise your right hand, close your right nostril first, inhale through left nostril. Then close your left nostril with the middle finger and ring finger and exhale the breath through your right nostril. Then inhale through right nostril and exhale it through left nostril. Alternative breathing. बहत्तर करोड़ 72,10,201 नाड़ियों के लिए, अष्टचक्र नवद्वारों के लिए, स्थूल सूक्ष्म कारण शरीर के लिए, for physical body, for eternal body, for mental peace, yoga for body, yoga for mind, yoga for soul, yoga for inner engineering, yoga for inner peace, eternal peace, for yoga for unlimited health, wealth, peace and happiness. This is very good for stress. This is very good for hypertension. If you are doing this continuously, and if you are taking bottle gourd juice, Loki juice, bottle gourd with fruit juice. This is very tasty and very healthy. So you can remove your hypertension, cholesterol and heart blockage also through this. This is very good for insomnia. If you are doing this 5 minutes, automatically you will be sleep. For good sleep. There is no requirement for sleeping pills. Sleeping pills की जरूरत ही नहीं है. अपने आप नींद अच्छी आएगी, आपको मन शांत रहेगा, और इससे this is very good for immunity. So you do this 3 to 5 minutes minimum daily. Then 10 to 15 minutes you can do this. Next, Brahmari. First finger on forehead, rest fingers on eyes. Close your ears with your thumb. Inhale the breath first and exhale it like bumblebee. And last, keep your both hands on your knees, keep your neck and back straight. Inhale the breath and exhale it with the sound of Onkara Dhyana. This is Onkara meditation. Complete silence. Concentrate in your breath. Concentrate on your breath. Omkara Dhyan. Om is a divine sound. Om is Almighty God, Khuda, Brahma, Omkara. Om is an invisible supreme power. And you concentrate only on your breath and think about yourself. I am a pure soul. I am a peaceful soul. I am a peaceful soul. I am a pure soul. I am a knowledgeful, creative, innovative, happy soul. सांसों पर ध्यान करके अपने सेल्फ के बारे में सोचें, अपने आत्मा सोल के बारे में सोचें.